CX Semi-Automatic Vertical Design Piston Filling Machine. Machine is designed for liquid-type product filling, suitable for oil, wine, jam, juice, cleaner, body lotion, shampoo, face cream, toothpaste, gel, etc. Filling demo for dish soap product. Material supply can be used hopper on the machine or suction direct from the material barrel. Anti-drip design filling nozzle, perfect filling performance for creamy and other high viscosity products. Factory direct, and we have more than 10 years packing machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us for machines further information. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.